Hi, Sandra, Sandra, Sandra. How are you? How are you, my girl?
Yes, Barbara,
Sandra,
Barbara, how are
I
you? How things
finally take
going
your
with you,
advice,
girl?
girl. I finally take your
Yeah, yeah, new
advice.
persons.
Yes, I finally take your advice. Well, me tell you, say the lonely life I beat me hard, so me take your advice. Yes, and sign up on the dating app. I mean, I tell a girl, me meet a nice man. Yes, him video call me and everything. I mean, him look good, me I tell you. Because you know me stay ready. Me I like them too ugly. Yes, me I tell you, say him well polished down and shine up. Him look good, girl. Him look good. Yes, me I tell you, say him body look good. Yes. No, no, I'm not young. No, I'm not young. In the mid 50s, but me I tell you, say, him body good, him still good, me I tell you, good. Me I tell you, yes, and he seems to have a little money to put on top of it, girl. Yes, him want come down, come meet me. So, what did I tell him about, some face are come up on all of these things and so forth. Yes, because him seems to be the party type. So, him a go come down. So, me don't know if you have anything doing in a them time there. We can, tag along and, see how things go and, if me and him mesh and things like that. Because how me steer them. I don't want to have my hopes up and then it no work out. But girl, would I really want it work out because I tell you say the lonely life I kill me, that beat me hard, girl. Single life and not for me. Yes, you can't manage your singleness. Hey. As well as them say singleness better than double cussedness, but girl, tired of it. Fear talk to myself and all these things. I want somebody who I can talk to, relate to, Yeah, man. But not even know how it all work out, cause him live overseas and thing. It's not like him a go there here where him can, fix the pipe and, help out with the cylinder fi move it from here so and there so and, you know. Me have all one car tire fi change and all these things because me I tell you so the old car a kill me. Girl. Me wouldn't mind him let have some money when me can buy one new vehicle because me sick and tired of the old Betsy there. Lord God, the old fi kill me every minute, every week. Girl, every week me have to dey a garage with it. Sick and tired of it now, man. Time enough somebody, help me out, stretch some help. Lord, man. I see it. Lord, man, a serious time now, man. A serious time now, man. Move up time now, man. I'm sick and tired of the old bed city, man. Yeah, man, me want something for happen, man. Tired of it.
Yes, man, we are
Yeah,
lost
yeah,
some
man.
best man, everything up,
Why me I
man.
tell
We
you,
dead
say,
alive and direct.
about 2 months now me meet him. I mean, I tell you, say, girl, if you see me fridge how it stock, my fridge never stock so before. I know everything good for eat, good for talk, but let me tell you, he been sending money. Money.
So that mean we can come
Girl, me
over?
I never see so much money before. I tell you, yes. Because like money when me I work can't even measure up. But me I tell you, say for him start send money. Hey, me I tell you, me buy all one new sofa. Yes, I want nice flat screen TV. Hey, me I tell you, I'm not the one to really brag and boast and all these things, but me I tell you, look at England pound them where must send. Hey, girl, me I tell you. Yes, man, yes. For the 2 months, me I tell you, him do very well, do very well. Me don't know if I impress him or try impress me. But, boy, me really I fall for the impression, me I tell you. Because me I tell you, so me never feel so good in all my life. Yes. Me I tell you. Yeah, man. Me like how I go out with things, man. Yeah, so me I go see if me get some things off a Sheen because me I tell you say, me really want to look good for some fest. Yes, me have to go. Yes, that all the highs and cross all the T's them for some fest, girl. Yes. Mm-hmm. May I tell you, sir, may I tell you, sir, from the other day, you know, hear me? Me seek out, girl, me seek out the loneliness. I stress out the brain. Yes, the loneliness. Yeah, man, and that's why some people have Alzheimer's and all these things because God never want we to stay lonely. Why you think he met man and woman? Sister, lonely life will bring stress by your brain. Yes, raise up all your blood pressure. Give you some sickness where you don't know about. Loneliness. Find yourself somebody, you hear? All right, then, all right. Talk to you, and thanks for your advice here, my friend. Thanks for your advice. Yes, yes, because me know, sir, upon dating site you find for your man where you have, your man where they are Paris. Lord, sorry, I never find one Paris one to, but me give thanks for the England one, yeah. Yeah, man. Me this a glow so. Yes. All right. Take care. Yeah. Talk to you tomorrow, cause me gonna call him right now. All right. Then see you, Sandra. See you. All right, man. All right. Please to like, subscribe, and share, and follow for more stories. Okay.